So look at that. I got a couple nice ones here. These things, look at the size of them. I mean, just right by my head. They're huge. The same size as my head is. Yeah, this is a pretty cool place. Well, there's not a lot of people here. You get to go wherever you want. I mean, they have a like a platform here in the middle of the field. People come and take pictures and you know, and pick sunflowers. It doesn't cost that much. I mean, it's like 15 bucks to come in and you can take 4 sunflowers if you want. And there's no restrictions on where you can go. I mean, I'm in the middle of the field. I got the drone up and I think I got some pretty cool footage. And so there you go. Sunflowers in Maryland. All right. Till next time, guys. Thanks.